Hi, I'm Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do a patriotic American flag monogram. Alright, so we have our hat, and if you've seen my how to monogram a baseball hat without a hat hoop, you saw my technique to do this, so I won't go into depth, but I will link in the description box that video below. But I'm using this curved frame, and I am just going to take it center, making sure not to get that sweat band in there, and just kind of smushing down. Then I'm going to pin over here. Again, if you want a more detailed look of how I'm doing this, I'll link in the description box below my more detailed video, including how I do this. But this is just a quick version of how to do a patriotic hat. Okay, it's pinned, ready to go, so let's get it on the machine. Okay, so as you can see, the American flag monogram from Embroidery, 37-minute long stitch out. So I just slipped another layer of tearaway underneath just because it's a 37-minute stitch out and it's super dense. So I can show you bits and pieces and then the final product. American flag monogram is looking so good. We're 24 minutes in, so we're getting close to the end, and guys, it is looking amazing. I think it's totally worth the long stitch out. So let me let it keep stitching, and I'll check on you in a little bit. One more little bit to do. Look how great that looks. Alright, 37 minutes later. Let's hope I got it straight. Lord have mercy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I think it's totally worth it. Let's see. Sticky off and the stabilizer. Oh, did get the sweatband. Thank you, Lord. Wow. Look at that. So again, this is a patriotic monogram from Apex Embroidery, and I'll link it in the description box below. And then this hat, you can get these hats from Wholesale Boutique. Sorry, my throat. Or this one is just from Walmart, the Time and True brand, I think. So what do you think? Do you like the patriotic monogram? Is it worth the 37-minute stitch out? And what would you charge for this puppy? Definitely charge what it's worth. Do not charge $15 for this puppy. Oh, it's so cute. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this and more, I'm doing a whole series on my channel about summer embroidery and monogram tutorials. So this is just one of the things. I've got beach bags coming up and all kinds of cool summer things to monogram and embroider for your customers and for your shop. So make sure you hit subscribe and hit the thumbs up button to let me know that you like this, and we'll see you next week. Bye for now.